Introducing Pro-Fab's versatile portable shades, the perfect solution for all your shading needs. Whether you're camping, hitting the road, or relaxing by the pool, we've got you covered. Imagine escaping to the great outdoors, surrounded by nature's beauty. But as the sun beats down relentlessly, you need protection. With Pro-Fab's portable shades, you can create your own oasis, shielding you from the scorching heat and harmful UV rays. But our shades aren't limited to camping. Hit the road with confidence, knowing that Pro-Fab's portable shades are there to keep your car cool and comfortable. Say goodbye to unbearable temperatures and hello to a more enjoyable journey. And when it's time to relax by the pool, Pro-Fab's portable shades provide the perfect retreat. Create a shady spot to lounge, read a book, or enjoy a refreshing drink, all while staying protected from the sun's intense glare. Our portable shades are designed for versatility, adapting to any situation. Whether you're at a picnic, a sports event, or a beach outing, Pro-Fab's portable shades ensure you have the comfort and protection you need. Not only are our shades functional, but they're also stylish. Choose from a variety of colors and designs that suit your personal taste. Crafted with high-quality materials, Pro-Fab's portable shades are durable and built to last. Join the countless satisfied customers who have already enhanced their outdoor experiences with Pro-Fab's portable shades. Embrace the freedom to explore, relax, and enjoy life without worrying about the sun's harsh effects. Pro-Fab's portable shades, your ticket to endless outdoor enjoyment. Get yours today and let us shade your world.